What's going on, everybody? I'm happy to have a chance to play with my IM608 Autel tool. The tool has been very good to me so far. I haven't had a chance to push it much into high-end other types of diagnostics or immobilizer systems, but here's an example showing you guys what it can do with the Chrysler. In this example, I'm going to show you two tips, okay? One of them's an obvious one, but as we get going here, I'm going to show you what we're doing. We went into the immobilizer system. We're going to click on auto selection. And of course, got to have the key on. It's telling us what to do. And just so you know, check this out. Check out the VIN number here. And then let's check out the VIN number over here. This vehicle has been in an accident. We got two different VIN numbers on the vehicle, so this can cause all kinds of problems as we go along. So just follow the on-screen prompts, and you'll see here this will pull the PIN code. The first step of this thing IDing the VIN number and all that stuff, it pops a PIN code for us and tells us what the PIN code is. It says what the red password is. Just so you know, if you click on vehicle immobilizer information, this gives you a bunch of information about the type of key, the transponder type, and other information. Very handy. Pretty cool stuff. Now, the cool thing, I think this is really neat, is this IMO status scan. Okay, this is pretty sweet because it gives us a really cool visual view of what's going on with the vehicle. Okay. As you see here, it gives us basically a block diagram showing the key and then all the modules related to the immobilizer system. And then it does a scan on the right hand side. You see dropping down, it scans each module, tells you what the VINs are, original VIN, current VIN, and the status of each module that are related to the immobilizer system. Guys, this is super powerful. I really think this is a cool feature. So in this example, we know we've had some aftermarket, or should I say replacement, salvage computers. So I just want to go into powertrain control module replace function. I'm going to click on that and just follow the directions here. I just hit OK, OK, OK. And what's pretty cool is this thing read the PIN code, so we don't have to type it back in. It's already in there. This is where the power of this tool is it can read the PIN code out of the WCM or the module it's storing that information. So it's going to say we're going to write the VIN number that's already in WCM to the PCM. And once we write that, that's awesome. We've got that written. So just so you guys know, it says it was successful. So once this was successful, we've got a runner. I can crank this thing up. It starts and runs. However, check this out. See that red security light down there, the red circle security light blinking on and off? That code won't go away. And if you check the codes here, the code, by the way, is what's making that light flash on and off like this. Alright, so if you look at the code that pops up, it's coming up here. Once this is done scanning, we'll go back and see what the fault code is in a WCM. We're going to click on that arrow over there. And when we click on that, you're going to see it has a stored VIN mismatch, original VIN missing mismatch. So even though it's a stored code, it's a history code per se, that immobilizer light won't go out. So even if I clear it, I'm clearing the code, and we're still stuck with the immobilizer light that's on. Guys, this happens all the time using a YTech or just a regular Autel, whatever you're using. And the secret to this, if you don't know, is to we have to go back and reset that module. To get this little red light to stop flashing, we have to go into the diagnostic tool and hit the module reset. So we have to back all the way out here. As you see, we're just backing all the way out. And I'm just hitting the back button. I probably could have done that a quicker and easier way. But I'm going to go back to the home screen here. And we're going to click on Diagnostics. And we can just use the Auto VIN Detect, which I like hitting the easy button if I can. But it's extremely important here to make sure that your VIN number is right. In this example, like I showed you before, we had that different wrong VIN. Somebody messed around, tried to put the wrong VIN in it, used computer. But we make sure that this VIN number is right and hit OK. And at this point, we can choose our module that we're going to go after. And that's the WCM. We want to do a reset on the WCM. So we're going to go to diagnosis. And we're going to hit control unit because I just want to hop in there real quick, get to what I'm going after. I want to go to body, and then you see on the bottom left here is a WCM. I'm going to click on that. And then we're presented with the menu for that module, all the options we have for it. But we're going to go into special functions. And once we click on that, you can see we have the option coming up here to reset the module. Okay. It's down here on the bottom. Reset ECU. We click on that. And as soon as we click on this, it will go out. I have had, should I say the immobilizer red light will go out. I have had instances where doing the ECU reset on a WCM will not make that light go out until I turn the key off and then reset the WCM module reset. But as you see here, we start it and run it, lights out, we are all good. So guys, I gotta tell you, I'm enjoying this tool so far. I haven't had any issues with the network. I know there's a lot of people saying the servers are being slow or something, but I haven't had any issues with it. It's been a great tool for me so far. I'm really looking forward to learning some of the more advanced functions. I mean, I have access to a lot of stuff with the YTech and such, so this isn't anything really new. It's just nice to be able to pull a pin code and whatnot on a CAN bus systems. Guys, I hope you're doing good. Have a great day. Like and subscribe. We'll talk to you later.